And so then with that, are you using, newsletter type applications,
Mhm.
or are you using, because a lot of people have fundraising platforms, if you will. Is there one or some that you think are pretty decent that somebody who's beginning, this process, right? They may
Mhm.
have their own assets. They can begin using something to help them to kind of understand what what you're saying, if you.
Yeah, so there are some common platforms that make this a lot easier. You don't have to use these, but they certainly help. And they're basically like portals.
Mhm.
They're like software as a service subscriptions that you have. And there's, Syndication Pro, Cashflow Portal, App Folio. There's a number of them out there. And I would say my personal favorite is
Yep.
Cashflow Portal, but I have I'm members of GP teams that use Syndication Pro, and I've certainly seen App Folio a lot. I don't think I'm actually a member of any of those right now. These are common platforms that keep all the documents in one place and give your limited partners, LP investors, a place to invest and kind of see the reports in a centralized place. And that's where they would upload their W-9s, and they would, file the forms that they want to do to be compliant so that we can do all of our reporting correctly. And those software tools make what we're doing as a GP team much easier. I mean, they really streamline the process so that you can really focus on those relationships with your investors and with your vendors.
And a lot of those platforms also allow your investors to kind of self-serve themselves, right?